This is
Just
what I'm
one
trying
moment.
to explain. Look, I want to punch the computer right now, and I'm not trying to. You're wrong as hell for doing what you're doing. I just got threatened in here. My toes get bit. They threaten to kill me every day while I'm in here. Can you understand that you can't hold me inside of here? What you're doing is illegal. I get threatened.
Sir,
I get threatened to die.
if you have
And
concerns,
I'm nothing like
if you have
nobody else.
concerns,
Can you understand what I'm saying? You're not caring about my safe and well-being?
Today we are diving into the time capsule of legal drama with a classic case from the archives of Judge Elizabeth DiSanto's courtroom. Brace yourself as we unravel the hilarious tale of a defendant who pulled no punches in this unforgettable case. As we take a look at a defendant already admitting guilt to the charges, yet fervently pleading for freedom. But it's not about the verdict on this one, it's the defendant's allegations that give this case its surreal twist. He insists that he's in peril behind bars and claims somebody or something is biting his toes, and even goes as far as expressing fear for his very life within the wall of the county jail. I'm not really sure what is biting this man's toes. Maybe you all can let me know down in the comments what you think is happening. But Judge DiSanto definitely finds herself in a precarious position. The defendant's mounting frustration and dire claims escalate as he confronts the judge, expressing his exasperation at what he perceives as a lack of action. Will Judge DiSanto yield to the defendant's desperate appeals and release him? Or will she uphold the legal obligations despite the bizarre claims? Stay tuned to find out. And subscribe to our sister channel, Crime Time 365.
did you talk to Mr. Gerald again?
No, I haven't. I've been with all these other people.
Okay. Well, here's what I'm going to do, because the Wayne County Jail, we've been tying up their cameras all day.
I understand, right?
So we also have 3 other cases here. So, Mr. Gerald, do you want to continue with your plea or no? Hold on, you need to unmute.
Can you hear me?
Yes, do you want to continue with your plea or not, sir?
Yes. I know
You do.
that
Oh.
I know that, ma'am, I know that I'm guilty for drinking and.
Okay, so let's, are you comfortable with going forward, Mr.
I am
Grandpa?
comfortable with it.
We're going on the record in that of the city of Wyandotte versus Gregory Gerald, 231-418. And appearance, counsel?
Your Honor, for the record, John Goldthorpe, P. 30758 on behalf of Mr. Gerald.
Mr. Gerald, your name for the record, please.
Gregory Joseph Gerald.
All right, today's date scheduled for a pretrial in this matter, and it's my understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty to public intoxication, and the open intoxicant is going to be dismissed, correct?
Yeah.
All right. Please raise,
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what's that, sir?
I wanted to explain, that's why I raised my right hand. I
Hold
apologize.
on, I'm gonna have you raise your right hand to swear in. You solemnly swear from the testimony about to give this matter to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, and sir, as to the allegation of public intoxication, how do you plead?
Guilty.
You've gone over your advice of rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes, I have, ma'am. I had
And you,
a few things that I
Sir?
wanted you to actually know about is all, ma'am. That's what I was trying to explain prior before. I wasn't mad at my attorney, nothing like that. I just wanted you to understand that the things that I got arrested for. There was crimes involved why I got arrested. They assaulted me, certain kinds of things.
yes, and sir, be assured that I do understand that.
Yeah.
Okay, and so, sir, you've gone over your advice of rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand all those rights.
Yes, ma'am.
You also understand that by entering into a plea that you'll be waiving some of those rights,
Yes, ma'am.
specifically your trial and appellate rights.
Yes.
You also understand that by entering into a plea that you understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, correct?
He said that we could be chargeable up to 90 days in jail is what he said. I'm not very sure about that, but I don't want to be charged up to 90 days in jail. I'm just trying to actually.
Sir, I understand that, sir, please.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
I understand that. I just need to make sure that you understand what the maximum possible penalty is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and do you understand the maximum possible penalty is up to 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and knowing all that, you still want to continue with your plea?
Yes. As,
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
no, it's just, if I can explain it, they used to let me drink in public and they never pulled me over. A few cops have picked me up with open
Okay, sir.
county is all I'm trying to say.
Okay. Okay, I hear what you're saying, Mr. Gopal.
That's all I'm trying to say.
I love to. Mr. Jarrell,
Yes, ma'am.
on
Yes,
on June 12th of 2023, were you in the city of Wyandotte?
June 12th, that was.
The night you were arrested, you were in the
Yes,
city of
June
Wyandotte, is
12th
that correct?
At 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. And there came a point in time when it was your birthday, correct?
Yes, sir, it was.
And you were out celebrating and you were drinking to excess, is that correct?
Yeah, kind of, but at
And
the
you
same
were,
time,
and you were drinking alcohol, is that correct?
yes, I drank 1 pint.
And you were out in public and there came a point in time when you came in contact with the police department, is that correct?
Yes,
And you were intoxicated in public at that time, is that correct?
I laid down is what I did, and I felt
Right,
sick.
and then the police came and they revived you and everything like that, right? I believe, Your Honor, there is a breath test of 0.22, and we will stipulate that. Thanks for satisfying.
All right, the court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to count 1, dismiss count 2 for the plea agreement. And we will schedule this matter for sentencing on July 17th at 9:30 a.m. And
I'm sorry, what time is that?
9:30 a.m. And sir, I'm going to have to see how we're going to have this PSI done. I don't know if there's any more camera space we can tie up for the Wayne County Jail, so we may have to have them call in, plus it's gonna be shift change soon, so in any event. Bonding conditions are continued.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Rose, I'll see you in a couple weeks.
Excuse
Let's go.
me. Like, I'm gonna go insane in my mind. What's going on right now is you shouldn't hold me in jail. You should have gave me like a bond reduction or something. Like what I gave you, if I can, I would have talked to the prosecuting attorney on the charges.
Sir, let me be very clear.
Because I have been
Based upon
held in here on
based
3.
upon your criminal,
That's
sir,
what I'm trying to
based-
say. Most
sir,
of the time,
please-
they have
please
done that
stop.
every day.
Sir,
This is
just
what I'm
one
trying
moment.
to explain. Look, I want to punch the computer right now, and I'm not trying to. You're wrong as hell for doing what you're doing. I just got threatened in here. My toes get bit. They threaten to kill me every day while I'm in here. Can you understand that you can't hold me inside of here? What you're doing is illegal. I get threatened.
Sir,
I get threatened to die.
if you
in
have,
here, and I'm nothing like
if you have
nobody else.
concerns,
Can you understand what I'm saying? You're not caring about my safe and well-being. You're not caring about it, not one bit.
are you going to stop so I can speak?
Yes.
Thank you. If you have concerns regarding your safety, you can certainly bring them up to the deputies. I will mark your file. Excuse me, please stop. I will
just
mark
got
your file
threatened because
accordingly.
you're alive, like you're sitting here
Excuse
and fucking
I-
not even understanding what I just said
All
here.
right, we're done.
Reflecting
We're done.
stimulus
We're-
checks
no,
in my
we're done.
name the whole
Thank
entire
you.
time.
Okay, I don't know how we want to do that PSI. Probably not a good day to do that PSI anyway, so maybe we can schedule it on a day to zoom in or something, I don't know. Wayne County Jail, Mr. Gerald needs the PSI, but I don't think today is a good day for that, so we're going to figure out how to reschedule that PSI for a Zoom if that's possible.
Okay.
Okay, and I apologize for tying up your cameras all morning.
You're okay. Appreciate you, Honor. I think that concludes
Have a good
everybody.
day.
You too.
Oh, I hope so. Okay, thank you.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.